Are you ready to discover the most exciting and unconventional side hustles that can transform your golden years into a time of adventure, creativity, and fulfillment? Whether you have a passion for storytelling, a knack for cooking, or a love for nature, these unique opportunities will not only enrich your life, but also bring joy and inspiration to those around you. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for every time we upload new videos. Number 1, culinary experiences. Cooking classes. Offer cooking classes specializing in traditional recipes, specific cuisines, or dietary needs. Classes can be held at home, community centers, or online. Personal chef services. Provide personal chef services for busy families, professionals, or events. This can include meal prep, catering, or creating customized menus. Number 2, tech assistance for seniors, tech tutoring. Help fellow seniors navigate technology, including smartphones, tablets, computers, and social media. Offer one-on-one sessions or group workshops. Digital setup services. Assist with setting up new devices, installing software, and troubleshooting common tech problems. Number 3, creative writing and memoir assistance. Memoir, writing services. Assist others in writing and compiling their life stories into memoirs. This can involve interviewing, writing, and editing. Creative writing classes. Teach creative writing classes focused on short stories, poetry, or fiction, helping others to express themselves through writing. Moving on to number 4, eco-friendly crafts and upcycling. You can create and sell art or crafts made from recycled materials. This can include items like jewelry, home decor, or even garden art. Additionally, consider teaching workshops on upcycling, showing others how to transform old items into new, useful products. It's not only creative, but also contributes to environmental sustainability. Next up, number 5, birdwatching and nature guiding. You might offer guided birdwatching tours, sharing your knowledge about local bird species and their habitats. Alternatively, lead nature walks or hikes, educating participants about local flora, fauna, and natural history. It's a wonderful way to connect with nature and help others appreciate the beauty around us. And at number 6, we have voiceover work. Use your voice to narrate audiobooks or provide voiceovers for podcasts. Platforms like ACX can connect narrators with authors who need their stories brought to life. Additionally, you could offer voiceover services for commercials, online tutorials, or educational videos. It's a fantastic way to use your voice to entertain, inform, and engage audiences. Number 7, mystery shopping. Evaluate services. Sign up as a mystery shopper to evaluate and report on customer service, product quality, and store cleanliness for various businesses. Experience local businesses. Enjoy dining at restaurants, shopping at stores, or using services while providing valuable feedback. Number 8, historical tours and storytelling. Local history tours offer guided tours of local historical sites, sharing stories and insights about the area's history. Storytelling sessions host storytelling sessions at libraries, community centers, or schools, sharing personal anecdotes, folklore, or historical tales. Number 9, genealogy research. Family history projects help others research and compile their family history and genealogy, creating detailed family trees and historical narratives. Workshops and classes teach classes or workshops on how to conduct genealogical research, including using online databases and resources. Number 10, senior fitness coaching. Personal training offers fitness coaching specifically tailored for other seniors, focusing on low-impact exercises, balance, and flexibility. Group classes lead group exercise classes such as gentle yoga, tai chi, or water aerobics at local community centers or senior living facilities. These unconventional side hustles offer exciting and fulfilling ways to make the most of your golden years, allowing you to share your passions and skills with others. Embrace these opportunities to stay active, engaged, and inspired while making a meaningful impact in your community. Your retirement can be a time of adventure and creativity, proving that it's never too late to pursue new and rewarding endeavors. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. And please give me a thumbs up and see the link below for more videos regarding making money incessantly. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment for more videos you would like to see.